Proud moment for India once again, as ISRO has successfully launched India's first solar mission, Aditya L1, from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, on 2nd September after Chandrayaan-3's successful moon landing. Hello everyone, myself Neha Kapil, and I welcome you all in the current affairs section of RACE IAS. Today's topic for discussion is India's first solar mission, Aditya L1. This topic is related to current affairs for IAS and PCS prelims and mains examination general studies paper 3 science and technology. Now let's quickly move forward and know more about this wonderful topic. Aditya L1 is carrying 7 different payloads to study the sun in detail. This is the country's first space mission which is related to the research of the sun. This mission will study the upper atmosphere of the sun from which important information can be gathered. Aditya L1 satellite has been sent 15 lakh kilometers away. This mission will place the satellite in L1, that is Lagrange point 1. Aditya L1 will revolve around the sun at this L1 point because even solar eclipse will not affect the satellite from L1 point. The place where this satellite will be installed will be in an area outside gravity where neither the sun nor the earth will pull it towards itself. Now it's time to focus on the process from launch to in-orbit installation. This process will have 3 phases. In the first phase, the Aditya L1 satellite will be launched by PSLV C-57 rocket and placed in low Earth orbit. In the second phase, the orbit of Aditya L1 around the Earth will be gradually raised and the satellite will be taken out of the Earth's orbit. In the third phase, the satellite will be taken out of the Earth's gravity. After this, in the last step, this satellite will be placed in a large halo orbit around the L1 point. The work of Aditya L1 is to reach the Lagrange point after leaving the Earth, and in this process it will take around 125 days, that is about 4 months. Now let's quickly move forward and know more about Aditya L1. Aditya L1 spacecraft has been assembled and integrated at U.R. Rao Satellite Center, Bengaluru. The objective of this solar mission is to study the sun's corona, sun's photosphere, chromosphere, solar emissions, solar winds, and coronal mass injection. Additionally, 24-hour imaging of the sun. This satellite has been launched using Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, that is PSLV C-57, with 7 indigenously developed payloads. Now, let's move forward and know the significance of this. Aditya L1 payload will play an important role in understanding the problem of corona heat, large-scale energy release from the corona, activities and characteristics of its light, dynamics of space weather, propagation of particles and fields, etc. So this is all about this wonderful topic. Now it's time for the mains question. Write about the purpose and significance of India's first solar mission, Aditya L1. You all may write your answers and leave your answers on our Telegram channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and download the RACE IAS app. And information regarding the new batches, please call on the numbers given on the screen. Thank you for watching and have a great day.